Here I'm going to go over how I like to clean my curtains without taking them down. The first thing that I like to do is vacuum using the hose attachment. So I vacuum the curtains starting at the top and pull down the length of the curtain. What you can do is actually take one hand and put it behind the curtain and pull it out while you run the vacuum down. This helps not only straighten out the curtain, but it gives you something to push up against, and this helps get some of that dirt, dust, debris, hair that's really in that fabric of the curtain. So I continue this over the curtains as needed. Another thing that I like to do is use my portable carpet cleaner. I've got this Bissell little green machine, and I like to scrub the curtains with some cleaner. So I've got a dog that rubs up against these curtains a lot, and I find that this actually helps get rid of some of that pet odor. Now you don't have to do this, but I really do think it helps. And one of the benefits here is that you actually don't have to take off your entire curtain and run it through the washing machine, but you can still wash some of those really dirty high traffic areas. Also, if there's any stubborn hair that won't come off with just the vacuum, I like to wear rubber gloves and rub my hands over the curtains. I find that that rubber grabs the hair very effectively. Once you get that hair, it kind of clumps up. You can just pick it off or vacuum it up. So once I've got most of the hair off, I continue to clean the areas where my dog rubs up against with that cleaner. And I really do like this method. Again, it saves me lots of time and energy from taking off the curtains completely, and it still cleans them very good. So hopefully that was helpful. Please feel free to like and subscribe for more videos about DIY projects and taking care of your home. My name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.